Out of the clear sky, the sun burns strongly over the houses, the fields. The torrid breeze already informs us the earth will soon be roasting underneath our feet. The flowers that flamed in May in their millions have begun to lessen and shrink, and in the stubble the stalks are blackening that but a little ago were red with clover. But like an ocean, the colour of gold now billows, the corn already begun to wax to fullness. Soon is the harvest, soon the beasts are tethered on the threshing floor. How beautiful you are, June, for you confirm the hopes of him who ploughed thinking of you. You repay in abundance the little the farmer scattered between furrow and furrow. Therefore, blithe is the song of him who is threshing, for all that the sun beats upon him unmercifully. Therefore happy, winnowing shovel in hand, he winnows in a capful of wind. After you, the heap of golden sustenance mounts up. After you, the mill goes round, the corn is whitened. After you, the rich savour of the bread cuts through the heart with its odour. If you rejoice him, he counts as nothing that chilly January approaches with the cold and the rain. Sheltered in his home, about the table, always he is gathered, contented.